Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. Today I'll show you how to prepare this simple eggless cocoa and vanilla cake. In a mixing bowl, whisk 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla sugar, and 100 ml of vegetable oil. Add 300 ml of milk, 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and carry on whisking to make a fluffy mix. Pour half of the batter into the cake pan that you greased and floured. Add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder into the remaining mix. Now pour the cocoa batter over the vanilla batter and using a skewer, swirl the mixture together. Bake in an oven preheated at 180 degrees for about 40 minutes. Let it cool down and remove from the pan. Slice and serve. Hope you enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, subscribe and click the bell icon. Well, if you haven't already done so. Thanks for watching!